Click on connected component, then you will get a window. In that window, click on new, then give a name. I am going to give the name of gate, that is AND gate. So I am going to make an AND gate ladder diagram, then create. After that, select the controller. Here my controller is Micro820, which you can see on your PLC kit. My controller is Allen Bradley Micro820. Then go to version, select version 7, select it, and then add to project. Now the microcontroller selection, the Allen Bradley 820 PLC kit selection is over. Then click on user defined functions, add ladder diagram. Then double click on program 1. You can rename it. I am writing the name as exp1. You can give your name. Then double click on exp1, and then you can see the ladder. Now click on toolbox. In the toolbox you can see a number of items: switch, direct contact, reverse contact, and direct coil, reverse coil. Now I am going to take a direct contact. So this contact is normally open. When we press this contact, it will be closed. So normally this contact is open. Then on local variable, I am giving the name as A. This is my first gate, A. Then in the IO Micro820, I am going to define this gate. I am giving in my kit, my input is starting from DI04. So I am selecting DI04, and in the alias I am giving the name, that is A, which is already given in my local variable. Then click on OK. Now you can see the name. The first gate is A and it is configured as DI04. Then click and drag another direct contact, and then I am giving the name as B and defining its output. Output is DI05, which is B. Now you can see both A and B, which are inputs. Now I am designing a 2-input AND gate, so my inputs are ready, A and B. First one is DI04 and the other one is DI05. Now I am going to select a direct coil which is defined as Y, that's output, and it's in my PLC kit my output is starting from DO00. So I am giving the first output as the output of AND gate, that is Y. Then click on OK. Now you can see both the input and the output. You can change your name by double clicking on the symbol of contact or the direct coil. You can change its name at any point of time. Now go to program, then click on programs, add another ladder diagram, and double click on program 1. You just go to toolbox and select instruction block and drag and drop it on the ladder diagram, and then select exp1, which is already designed in the user defined function, that is exp1. Now you just build the program. If there is any error, you can see on the bottom. Now build successful, so there is no error, then build is completely success. After that, in PLC you are going to download this program. That is, when we click on download, this program will be uploaded to your controller. Now go to connection path, then browse, then you can see the Ethernet connections. This PLC 820 kit is connected by using Ethernet cable, that is LAN port. So wait for a few seconds. You can see one Ethernet port is available, one IP is available. Click, then close. Now connection path is okay. Now the connection between Micro820 and the connection component is established. Then click on download. Now your program will be copied into the Micro820 PLC kit. Wait for a few seconds. Now you can see the download. Click on download. Wait for a few seconds. Now click on yes. Yes, now you can see the program window. Double click on it. This feature is used to monitor the live status of PLC kit in your computer. So when we press A, you can see a red indication, which means the switch is pressed. So this is an AND gate. Only the output will be high only when both the inputs are high. So now you can see both inputs are high and the direct coil is also working. Hence you verified the truth table.